To calculate your angle of incidence and angle of reflection, first you will draw a straight line, then you will place your protector like this. Exactly the center of the protector should be exactly at the point where it hits with the boundary, right? And you will put a dot over there to draw this normal, right? The way I have drawn it over here, okay? Then you will measure the angle between incident ray and the normal. How will you measure that angle? You can measure that in two ways. Either place the protector in the same way, the way I placed that to draw the normal line, because see, in every diagram you will be having two straight lines, okay? One is the normal line and one is the boundary. So it's up to you if you are placing this boundary at 0 and normal at 90, or you can place it like this as well, because see, the angle is to that side, to the right side of the copy, right? So you can even place it like this, the normal at 0. See, now my normal is at 0, right? The normal is at 0 in this way, and the bound is at 90. So see, the angle of incidence is the angle between the normal and the incoming ray. So see, यहाँ पे directly you will get the angle. I am using this 0, 0, 10, 20, 30. This is 40. So see, what's my angle? The angle is 38 degree before 40. Okay. So here you will write the angle as 38 degree, right? So this is how to measure your angle. So in this way you can also measure that by keeping normal at 0 and boundary at 90. Directly measure the angle. And if you want to place it like this, so this is the second way, normal at 90 and boundary at 0 in this way. See, so now यहाँ पे you have 90 degree, यहाँ पे check this reading, right? 90, and see this reading. What's the reading? Now I am using this side of my protector, right? So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. This is 52. So see, 90 minus this reading will give you 38, right? Whatever the value is, you won't simply put that value over here, because यहाँ पे here my angle is at 90. So my angle will be 90 minus this value will be your angle of incidence, right? Now you will repeat the same procedure to find the angle of incidence as well, right? Acha, again I place the protector in the same way to measure the angle of reflection. So as the light is coming that way, so it will move towards the other side. So my angle of reflection will be towards that side. So simply again, this is at 90, the boundary is at 0, right? So check this value. This is 52 degrees. So exactly mark 52. Now I am using this side of 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So here is my 52, right? So that will be my angle of reflection. Now join this point and this point, right? So 52 is exactly not my angle of incidence. You will subtract 90 minus 52. Either that way, yeah, the other way is that now my angle is to that side. For the previous angle, I place it in this way, protector, right? Now for measuring the angle from that side, how will you place it? In this way, right? So now my normal is at 0 and my boundary is at 90. So what's my angle? It's 38, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 38 is, see, exactly the same point, right? Now join this point and this point, exactly you will get the perfect angles like this. Okay, see, I join the two, so exactly you will get the perfect V. In this way you will measure your angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Now let's go to measure angle of refraction. This is reflection, okay? अच्छा, previous case में that was reflection. Now this is refraction. This is the incoming ray of light. Now this is air medium. Suppose this is water medium, right? As this ray will move inside the denser medium, so that ray will move towards the normal, right? As it enters into a denser medium, so it will move towards the normal. Here I will show you how to measure the angle of incidence and angle of refraction. Okay. Now how to measure this angles? How will you place your protector to measure this angles? First you will draw the normal the way I told you how to draw that in reflection, right? Now the angle is to that side, so for that how will you place your protector? In this way, right? The way you have measured your angle of incidence, you are using, acha, this is your 0, because see, you are starting your value from here. So this is 0, 10, 20, right? This is 29 degree. So from 0 to 2, because my normal is at 0, so directly take the value and put it over here, right? If you want to place your protector like this, right, in this way, so then what will you do? You will take this now your normal is at 90, right? And check this value. So you will subtract this from this, again you will get the same 29 degree. Okay, now for finding the angle of refraction, right? So angle is to that side, so for that I will place my protector like this. Okay, see the check the position of protector. Okay, okay, this is at 0, right? Exactly, while the normal is at 0, so direct use this value. This is 16 degree, so this is my angle of reflection. Or if you want to find your angle in this, if you want to place your normal at 90, then for that what will you do? Normal 90 minus this value will give you exactly the same value, 16 degree. So you can do that in two ways, right?